We'll guide you through how to view your Apple ID password on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Perhaps you want to go and be reminded of it as you've gone and forgotten it, and you want to try doing this before going through the reset process. We'll guide you through some different ways you can try doing it. So what you want to do is come across to the second page and find the utilities folder, tap on it, and you want to find the passwords app. You can always go and drag down and go and search for passwords, and you can tap on it like so and unlock it. Press search at the bottom, and you want to go and type in Apple like so, and hopefully your Apple account's been saved. You can tap there, then you can see your password and tap on it to go and reveal it, and you can see it there, so hopefully you can. Alternatively, if it wasn't saved there, you can open a web browser. We'll use Safari, and you can come to google.com. You can go and try checking your Google account, so sign in if you aren't already in the top right and press your icon and press manage. Then you can press search in the top right. Then you can press search in the top right and you want to go and type in password like so, and you can go and find password manager. Then you can press search and search again and type in Apple, tap on it. You will need to go and enter in your Google password. If it was saved, of course, and then you can press the I to write a password to reveal it.